What is the safest non-toxic laundry detergent to use? The safest non-toxic laundry detergent to use is Truly Free laundry detergent. It's made without harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, dyes, making it great and gentle on your skin and the environment. Truly Free's formula is designed to be eco-friendly and safe for all the members of your household. If you want to get a hold of Truly Free laundry detergent, use that link right below this video, where you can buy it from the official website so you don't have to worry about any issues buying it. What's going on, everybody? I'm going to be showing you how Truly Free has made our lives easier. It's chemical free, eco-friendly, and safe for our home. Did I mention we love it? Come with me as I show you how we're cleaning our laundry using Truly Free's products. If you want a clean, eco-friendly home, Truly Free's a lifesaver. Check the description box right down below where you can buy it from the official website and get a discount. But let's talk about this some more. I noticed when I was using other cleaning chemicals, I experienced like this tightness in my chest. I think that's one of the first things that kind of led to us finding Truly Free. My son's breathing also changed, especially after using those products. And that alarmed me, it scared me, right? Truly Free products are family friendly, eco-friendly, and safe. No harsh chemicals like other products on the market. And you know what? Let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about this. What I can honestly say about Truly Free is I love the fact that it has given us the same cleaning power, and quite honestly, a lot better without using those harsh chemicals. No more tightness in the chest. I can't honestly say enough about Truly Free's products. And by the way, if you want to get Truly Free products, use that link in the description box right down below to purchase it. It's from the official website, and also you get a discount using that link right down below. Truly Free has been a game changer, making our house, making our laundry non-toxic, smelling great, and looking great. What I love about Truly Free also is their money back guarantee. If you don't like their products, they'll give you your money back, no questions asked. They stand by their products, and you can learn some more about that in the description box, where you can also visit the official website and get a discount using that link right down below. Thank you so much for visiting my place on the internet. Truly Free products have shown me how easy it is to clean, to smell great without using those harsh chemicals. And don't forget, use that link right below so you can get a discount on your order using that link right below from the official website. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you next time.